Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you boys? Good morning. Today we start our natural cycles that is happen on the earth. Okay, this topic already we finished last week, but that class was orientation. Today we start regular classes. Okay, now first of all, here we will discuss three cycle. Number one, water cycle. Number two, carbon dioxide cycle, and number three, nitrogen cycle. Okay, now first of all, water cycle. Now, water cycle, first of all, what is the importance of water cycle? On earth we have about 97% salty water and 3% only fresh water, and from 3% 2% water is freeze on the pole. This is freeze on the poles of North Pole and South Pole, and where is ocean, Arctic, and glacier like this. That is frozen state. And then we have only 1% water, the fresh water that we use to drink and other many uses in our daily life. So much water, because of water cycle, so much water that is changed into fresh water. For example, salty water from the ocean, it evaporate. The first step in the water cycle, evaporation. The water evaporate from the ocean and lakes and many other places, and it go up. And when it go up and reach a cool place, then it again change into liquid. We say that condition or process is called condensation. Evaporation, when water, liquid water change into gas and go up. And condensation, when that gaseous state of water change into again liquid, that is called condensation. And then precipitation, when the water fall down from the atmosphere to the ground, and during that the water, when it evaporated from the ocean, it was salty. When it again as a precipitate fell down on the ground, it become fresh water. Okay, this water also, rainwater, that is our precipitation, give us fresh water. It was a salty when it evaporate from the ocean and sea. When it precipitate or fall down toward the ground, then it become fresh water. Okay, then we store this water in different place. For example, some water grow underground, some water we store for use, we store in well and different places we use it for agriculture, and some water go to river and canal and again ocean. Okay, this is. And precipitation have many kinds. For example, rain, snow, hails, and sleet, and maybe other. But these are four main types of precipitation. This is water cycle. Then carbon cycle. Carbon cycle, that is so important because it make the carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon dioxide in our air is 0.04%, and it is so important in the process of photosynthesis, because photosynthesis is a most important process on the earth. Without photosynthesis, no one can live on the ground, because photosynthesis give what provide us food and oxygen, and we need food and oxygen. Even plant need food and oxygen. If plants don't produce this, then we can't. And when we breathe out carbon dioxide and breathe in oxygen, at the same time Plants need this carbon dioxide and it produce oxygen. And during respiration, we release energy with the help of oxygen, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. And like this also, fuel and combustion, during this two process also carbon dioxide produces, and sometimes carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. But carbon monoxide is not good for our health. Okay, it is poisonous gas, and if we breathe more and more, and it may be happen our death. Any person, he can breathe more and more carbon monoxide, and then it become a shortage of oxygen in the body, and as a result he can die. Okay. Next is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, this is help the plants to grow. It is make the soil rich. Okay, plants grow and then animal eat the plant, or human eat the plant, then again animals die, and decomposer make the dead body of the living organism into small particle, and those small particle again change in mix with the soil and make the soil fertilize. Okay, then soil become rich and then plants grow well. Okay, this is a cycle. From the soil it grow the plant good, then plants eaten by the animals, and then animal die, then it decompose and change into small pieces. This again it mixed with the soil, then it is complete cycle. Okay, and nitrogen is a gas that is most gas in our air. It has 78%. Okay boys, this is our topic today. Inshallah, see you later. Assalamu alaikum.